Cow stories.
I think the cows are just moving to each other.
3 different cows and their stories. These cows were raised on the same farm. This is their farm story. The Jersey. Jersey cows are raised for dairy. A female cow is called a heifer. Here's the Jersey cow and her newborn baby. Her calf is being bottle fed. Just like humans, cows are pregnant for 9 months. Only 3% of heifers have twins. It's a special event. In 2016, the Jersey had twin calves. The Angus. Angus cows are raised for beef. The young Angus shares a pen with the Jersey cow's first calf. They become friends. Cows are around 2 years old when they have their first calf. The year is 2016 and the Angus is full grown. She is mooing for her calf. Here's her calf, but Mom is not able to nurse her baby. The little calf must be hand-fed. A heifer must have a baby to produce milk. The Jersey's twins were born the same week as the Angus's calf. The Holstein. Holstein cows are raised for dairy. She's curious and friendly. The Holstein was born in the same month as the Angus cow. The Holstein lives in a nearby pen. Months later, she was moved to another pen with another Holstein. Both cows are yearlings. It's May, a year later, and she's full grown. Watch the opening to her stall.
Oh, look who has the baby calf. Baby calf. Oh, sweetie. This one, I remember when she's a baby. She's got a baby. Mama. That tongue. You had a baby. You had a baby. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day.
The little Holstein is now penned with the slightly older Angus. The end. All the cows were raised at a working educational farm. Some educational farms allow visitors to help feed the baby calves. Visit an educational farm near you and learn more about farm animals.
It's spa day at the farm.
And the white cow's gonna get washed too, unless she's been washed already. Now that's Dora's mom. Well, that's a good one. That's all right. Well, at least it's warm enough. Not only did I see the cow getting washed, I got washed.
I'm so sorry.
That's all right.
she wants to go back. Or else she wants to get back to her stall real quick. Oh yeah. It's time to eat. Oh, she's got to dry off still. Yeah, that's a Holstein, the black and white. Both of them are dairy cows. Did you like that? Did you like your brushing?
Yeah. You want more? Tomorrow. Better leave your food ready.
Yeah, she's one of the sweetest cows here.
Yeah.
She's a good mama too.
Yep.
You're just like a dog. You follow.
Yep. They're used to us getting handled. They know exactly who feeds you.
Oh yeah. They know when it's
Smart.
see, she's doing the same thing as the twin. See what she does with her tongue.
Yeah. You know, I've noticed, in my experience, I've noticed a lot of the jerseys do that with their tongue.
Yeah, she.
Yeah, as opposed to the Holsteins or any of the other breeds. It's like they're, I don't know,
They have a just.
more nervous, or I don't know. Or they're just more anxious. Maybe she knows that she's getting ready. She's getting ready for her food, huh?
She is. It's
But I've
almost
noticed that.
feeding time, huh?
Yeah.
Like 2:30.
10 minutes.
Sophie, time to eat.
Thank you for watching Animals All the Time. Please subscribe.